Let me show you how to create Instagram stories in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Create a new project with 1080 by 1920 pixels. Choose a selection and draw a rectangle. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Align the rectangle in center. Place the image in Photoshop. Set the size and position like this. Now choose the Type tool and add the title. Adjust text like this. Go to the blending options, fill opacity is 0 and add stroke. Follow these settings. Go to Type tool and add text like this. Again, go to Text tool and write text. Adjust the size and change the color. Add some text like this. Make a copy of this text and change the text like this. Now add some shapes. Now again, go to Text tool and add text. Adjust like this. Instagram story design is ready. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.